Hello guys! For today's video, we're going Red Castle restaurant. It's a grilled and hot pot restaurant here in Electra Street. Actually, we were just invited for my nephew's recognition day, Adriel, and we were going to have our lunch there with Auntie Erin and Bap Gors and Adriel.
You're just a turtle.
Hello. We're here at the signal waiting. We're going here on the other
Daddy,
corner.
Daddy, I love you.
Very near to our place. Say hello, anak.
Hello. Bye. Oy.
Linom na kayo?
Oh, siya pinunado ng KG1, nalalaman ganun malati. O siya.
Atso na lang? Ay! Ay! Congratulations, Adrian!
Congratulations.
What will you say then?
I did it. It's the ice wall.
Oh, you say congratulations, anak.
Congratulations, Dave. There's juice flavor inside because I realized. I guess so. There's the ice. Yeah.
Oh, don't play the ice.
There's water in the ice. There's water in the ice. Okay, guys. I'm the guard. Dude, happened, babe. Hey, dude. Oh, I have a boy's room in my pink Barbie room. Oh, it's the boy's room. Oh, sweet. It's so bad. That's for
We're eating na.
Not all soft drink.
Kasi kung gumaga ka, kung pagpunta ka sa school, no. Kasi, magtamo, ano na, and together with April, Sayo, grabe na,
Diana.
What did the how did he do that, bro?
Pares na yung malag. Anay mo na yun.
I'm drinking orange.
Last time, where's the hide the bag?
Apple tea, huh?
The bag.
Magsi na lang, magsi.
You remember you go to the dressing room?
Sprite.
Bumuli kami, paklo. Pangatlo na rin. Wala pang 6 months yung pila kan, December. Isalita na na, Adriel.
Adriel, sige, picture ka lang dito. For the vlog. For the vlog.
Yan.
Picture ka. Eh,
Stand up, stand up.
Congratulations!
isa.
Congratulations!
Dali na. So much.
Malalas.
O, yan na, yan na.
Where is the gummy? Adrian, where is the gummy? Adrian!
And then I'll show you
Hinako si Kaso.
Where is the plastic
Where is
gummy?
the gummy?
Raise it up. Raise it
Show
up.
Bob, show Bob, Dasha.
I will buy 2 more.
Ubus na?
Dali na.
Ubus?
Ali lang, ali.
Ubus na? Where is it?
Show them your gummy. Come on, again.
Thank you, Adrian. Thank you, Auntie. Kailangan lagi tang masantingwak. Lagi tang masantingwak.
This is all.
Teta, kulay nga yung ano.
Oh.
Sabi ko kalupa niya anong dati. Mas muli kaya pa ito.
Sus, malago yung kulay niya. Hindi. Mag-play na lang mo. Baka makatipin.
Kung magpapabata pa ka.
Yan, goro ngayon ni Alay sa akin kasi. Yan. Yan.
Tutuki magrenta karta kasi.
Tutukirin. Arkilan. Ay, nano. Asa mo na yung kuya mo.
Luso.
Kaya mo pag-drive mo kami.
Luso. Grabe. Please.
Ano yung papabayad ko?
Papabayad dyan bala. Bala ako libre.
Same din dala.
Yo, misakap ko yo.
Pan pa mo.
Eliana, you see you have lot of bubu na. Don't run. It's not
Kuya mo nga, naramdaman daw yan.
Hindi ako kapuntahan naman.
I know. Until I have
Orita ko.
help me. Adrian, help me.
Hindi mo kay kayo. 1 hour?
Oh, sabi ko na kaya ka, Jenny mo, buridan na eh.
Oh, okay na to.
Okay na to. Oh, balada mamyalong na, let's see. Juliana, let's go. Wait.
I want the golden one. I want gold.
Let's go na, let's go. Adriel. Sabi ko na kaya kayo eh.
Sabi ko na takpan nyo mata eh.
There's a pool. I'm gonna go. Don't leave without me. Here. Don't leave without me.
On Tuesday.
It's not Tuesday today.
Only allowed on Tuesday. Eh, may 17 pa graduation. Alam ba ito? Pwede naman nung talagang magkakalit.
Kaya lunas na kaya kayo.
Mga ganun na.
Eliana, there is one, no? It's moving also.
Ah, one eh. Imuhaya ka niya na yung makasi.
Take turns, take turns, take turns. Kuya, ate, Eliana muna. Stand up. Together na lang. Oh, sexy. Oh, give it to Ate Eliana. Give it to Ate Eliana. You're a passenger now. You're a passenger now.
May gulo lang.
Hindi nga nag-share lang.
Kakaluluan niya. Alaan na. Alaan na. Marina nga, nag-share lang po.
Hindi na ano ang sample, oh.
Oh, Adriel also with Eliana. Dali. Not yet finished. Oh, yan, Daddy. Ito na niya yung Daddy. Finish. I enjoy the illusion kayo.
I was doing that one already.
You wait for free. Wait for free. Oh, Eliana. Your head, your head.
Tapos kasakay ng Eliana, may arrange siya.
Mahulog yan, oy. Bisita. Yanti kasi. Yanti kasi.
But you got a free
Melon
ride
po
at the
siya.
unicorn. Yeah!
It's okay, baby. It's okay. Oh, there's another one kanyan. We will wait, na.
Let's fight.
Sorry, Lucio.
Walang pambayad, no problem. That is
Oh, sige, unlimited.